So, how do you get a subscription for yourself? Well, there are several ways to get an Azure subscription. You can get it through enterprise agreements, Microsoft resellers, Microsoft partners, or even by creating a personal free account. An enterprise agreement customer can add Azure to their agreement by making an upfront monetary commitment to Azure. Now, that commitment is consumed throughout the year by using any combination of wide variety of cloud services Azure offers from its global data centers. Enterprise agreements have 99.95% of monthly service level agreements. The second option you have is the reseller program. You can buy Azure through the open licensing program, which provides a simple, flexible way to purchase cloud services from your Microsoft reseller. If you've already purchased an Azure in open license key, you just have to activate a new subscription or add more to the credits. You can also find a Microsoft partner who can design and implement your Azure cloud solution. These partners have the business and technology expertise to recommend solutions that meet the unique needs of your business. And finally, you can always create your own personal free account. Now, this is a free trial account. You can get started using Azure right away, and you will not be charged until you choose to upgrade. Let's also learn about different subscription usages like free, pay as you go, enterprise agreement, and one of the favorite for students, the Azure Student Subscription in the next lesson.